Welcome to our review of the Skytech King 95 Gaming PC Desktop. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Take a moment to check the price and consider grabbing yours today. This powerhouse is packed with features designed to elevate your gaming and productivity experience to new heights. With the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor running at 3.8 GHz, turbo boosting up to 5.5 GHz, you'll enjoy lightning-fast performance for all your demanding applications and games. It's equipped with an NVIDIA RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 graphics card that will take your gaming visuals to the next level. The King 95 doesn't just stop with a powerful processor and graphics card. It also boasts 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM at 6000 MHz, ensuring that you can run multiple applications and games without experiencing lag or slowdown. Paired with 1 TB of Gen 4 NVMe SSD storage, which is up to 30 times faster than traditional HDDs, you'll have plenty of room for all your favorite games, videos, and files, while experiencing ultra-fast load times. In addition, the system is equipped with a 360mm I/O liquid cooler, complete with ARGB fans, ensuring your PC stays cool even during the most intense gaming sessions. With this liquid cooling solution, you can say goodbye to outdated and inefficient air coolers and enjoy a smooth, quiet experience. No more thermal throttling or overheating, just pure performance. This is backed by a 1-year warranty, so you can feel confident in your purchase. With Wi-Fi capabilities, a range of USB ports, and a free gaming keyboard and mouse included, the King 95 is the ultimate all-in-one solution for gamers and creators alike. It comes pre-assembled with Windows 11 Home, ready to tackle any task you throw at it. Whether you're creating content, working, or gaming at the highest settings, this PC can handle it all with ease. This gaming PC is capable of running your favorite games, such as Call of Duty, Fortnite, Apex Legends, Overwatch 2, and many more, at ultra settings, delivering a smooth, 1440p Quad HD resolution with 60+ FPS gameplay. The King 95 ensures you never compromise on your gaming experience, allowing you to enjoy stunning visuals and responsive gameplay across a wide variety of titles. Don't wait any longer. Upgrade your gaming setup today with the Skytech King 95 Gaming PC Desktop. It's an all-in-one, high-performance machine designed for the modern gamer. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Be sure to check the price and consider grabbing yours today.